In today's video, I'll teach you how to hide groups on Facebook. First of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to hide the groups, first of all, you'll have to visit that particular group. For that, tap on the menu icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the menu interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option groups that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your groups over here. Keep in mind, in order to hide the group, you need to be the admin of that particular group. So simply tap on the group that you would like to hide. Now you'll be able to see that group over here. What you have to do is tap on the manage option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to manage the group. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Under the section for settings, you'll be able to find this option for group settings. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the group settings. Over here, what you have to do is find this option for privacy and tap on it. Right now, public option is selected. If you would like to hide the group, what you have to do is simply tap on this option private that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the group will become private in 3 days. Now after you change the group privacy, what you have to do is simply go back. Now tap on this option hide group that you can see on the screen. Since changing the group to private will take about 3 days, right now the hidden option is not available. But if the group is private, you'll be able to find this option for hidden enabled. What you have to do is simply tap on it. After you do that, tap on the save option and the group will be hidden. So like this, you'll be able to hide the group. So that is how you hide groups on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.